Hello guys, good morning here. Today is gather cleaning day again, and you can see objects gathered in here are full, as you can see right there. And this because we had been having a hurricane here lately, but not that didn't have got get hit though. So like I said, it's gather time again. And we're gonna doing to clean the garage first. They have a big garage before we're gonna do the house right there next door. That's how it is. And yep, we're gonna do a gutter cleaning and then gutter whitening outside the gutter. And later on, after this gutter cleaning, we're gonna go do a pressure washing the house, but not the whole house though, but just a lanai. So we're gonna be those. So, alright guys, keep in mind. Let's hope you guys stick around and watch my videos later on. Take it easy. Talk to you guys later. Bye.